You are chosen for beautiful things.
What's up, transitioning girlies? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Shermaine and I make natural hair transitioning videos while in transition. So my hair, you already know, is already washed. I deconditioned it and everything, and this is what we looking like. In today's video, we're going to be doing something so different, something so new that I've never done before. So I'll be doing a FLEXI rod set. Yay! Okay, I've literally never done one before, so this is going to be my first time doing this on my transition hair. I'll be using the Gangsta Wrap by the Doux. They did send this to me and wanted me to try it, and that's what we gonna do. So I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna go across with my finger, nothing too crazy, and then split it up. And then we're gonna go ahead and pin it over, and then I'm gonna split this one down. And I don't have another jig. I'm gonna get a clip at a time. I'll just go ahead and slide it in there. And we're just gonna work with this section first. Of course, I'm going to courtesy detangle from here. And then I'm missing something. Hold on. Okay. Yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just take a pump there and just apply it to my hair. It does not feel greasy. That is one thing that I love, and it smells amazing. It smells amazing, but yeah, I did not, it's not greasy, which I love. We're gonna courtesy detangle. It looks like my hair is loving it. The Doux, man, they making it happen for me, bro, cause my hair usually like playing around on this side. My hair loves their products. That looks amazing. Okay. I've seen girls do these different types of waves, but I'm gonna do what feels comfortable for me. I have a t-shirt here on the side just to kind of wipe off any excess. Now I've seen girls take it and they rolled it like this and made it flat, right? They made it flat. So my hair printing already. It was flat. And they rolled up once. They rolled it up once, and then they kind of just, we gonna see if my hair gonna stay. And then you wanna make sure you roll it up and then fold it on the side where hair comes over the FLEXI rod. I'm hoping that this stays like this. Oh, I'm so nervous, but I'm gonna do another one a different way, and then we gonna see how that's gonna come out. Let me collect myself to see which ones I'm gonna do. So give me a quick second. Okay, so we got two in. This one, the second one didn't stay like the first one, so I don't know, bro. I'm so nervous. It's not the product, it's I don't know. I've never done FLEXI rod, so I'm a little nervous. So we just gonna go ahead and keep carrying on with the dilly-dally.
Told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Okay, girls, so we're all done. So let me give you the tour of how we're looking around here. So that's how we're looking. Of course, you already know I'm about to go sit up under that dryer. Don't know for how long. It doesn't really like specify for how long you should be sitting up under the dryer or anything. But so far, I am loving the gangster rap. I am tuned in. I love everything. It's just, the Doux has been giving me hit after hit. It's been giving me a lot of shine. Like every product though. So I love that. So yeah, I'm gonna go sit up under my dryer. I actually did have FLEXI rods left, which is pretty surprising. I didn't even count how many I had in my hair. That's neither here nor there. I'll count it when I take them down. But yeah, let me go sit up under the dryer and then I'll come back with the finished results. Okay, girl, it is, I don't know, like 10, 12 hours later. My hair is dry. I already took a couple of them out because just to check to see if they were dry. Baby, these hurt. I have the worst headache. Do you hear me? These are coming down and I'm not going to sleep in them. But yeah, I already took a few of them down. So of course you just unroll them in the opposite direction. They might, I'm noticing like they're popping back up, which is so weird, but just go ahead and twirl it and it'll go back. Okay, so I figured out how to take them down. So you do that, right? You just unravel it a little bit, hold it here. And then it comes out in the way that you put them in. Robin over here just struggling. It's my first time doing a FLEXI rod set, so excuse me, I wasn't politically correct. Each one I take down feels amazing. Baby, these hurt. Okay, I'm finished taking the rest of these down. All right, girls, so you see, we all taken down. First and foremost, what I want to acknowledge is the bounce. I know you see, hello, it bounces. My first FLEXI rod and I am so happy. Okay, and then the shine. I have not, this is not like, I don't have anything on my hands, like there's nothing there. You know me, I don't like touching my hair when I'm done in my hair, but I just wanted to bring recognition to the shine of how shiny this already is, and there is no oil in my hands. This is just the oil straight from the product, okay? Straight from the product. Now, even though I don't need it to take my hair down, I'm going to, just so I can reinforce those curls. So you already know I'm going in with the Aussie Intense Hydration Oil to just start taking them down. That's just gonna be me reinforcing the curls at the bottom. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with that. I am so excited. These look good. I actually like the red ones. So these is how the red ones turned out. They're so stinking cute. And then this would be how the orange ones turned out. They're still cute too, but they're just a little bit more on the chunkier side. So I'm just gonna start taking these down. So I've already started taking some of them down just to kind of see how to take them down. So this little batch has already been taken down. Again, I just put a little bit on my hands, nothing too crazy. So I'm twisting them in the opposite direction just so that I can be able to separate them to reduce as much frizz. And then again, I'm reinforcing the curl back in the direction that it was in. Now I came on a little funky. Is that the right way? Yeah, it has to be. Okay. Well, we're gonna let them be how they gonna be. This is my first little set, so. And then, yeah, that's just kind of what I've been doing. Probably. There's some of them. Oh, that one was pretty. I'm sure I'm gonna have to stretch these out just like I had to do them perm rods. I don't know how I feel about these. And of course I just clipped the rest to the side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish taking these down. So we're done. yeah, we took them down. I don't know what it is about perm rods and the FLEXI rods, but I just cannot get jiggy with it. Like, look, I'm just so used to a braid out, but this is how it looks. The shine and everything else is there, but I can't. But it's cute. It's cute. She cute. I'm gonna just blow dry her out again. Blow drying the wrong way, but I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair out. Kind of give it a little stretch, and then we're gonna pump it up and, you know, kind of get the vibes going. So I'm gonna do that. So just bear with me, please. 'Cause I'm trying to love it. I like it, but I'm trying to love it. So just bear with me one moment. Okay, so I play with it more, and this is what we got, and it's just gonna have to stay here because I don't know what else to do. I'm getting frizz at the top, which I'm okay with, but this is my first time doing a FLEXI rod set, and I don't know how to handle this and how to treat this, how long this is gonna last for my hair. But for the most part, with the Gangsta Wrap foam, there's no cast, which I love a good cast because that just means that the style is gonna last you longer because it's holding on to the style, like, so it sets it in. So there's no cast or whatever, which, you know, if you like that, cool. If you don't, I'm just letting you know. It's bouncy, it's fluffy. Again, the shine and everything is there. It's there, which I love. It's just, I'm just not comfortable. So I have to get comfortable with said FLEXI rods. But I'm gonna just leave it like this, and about to go watch some videos and figure out how to sleep in it because we're not gonna waste it. So I'm just gonna have to work with it. So I hope that you ladies enjoyed this video. Go ahead and click on the link down below and go to the Doux website. Go ahead and grab the Gangsta Wrap, try it out, and tell me what you think. Don't forget to use my special code Brandy_do10 to save you a little funyuns when you are checking out. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you beautiful girlies in my next video. Later, girl.